headed back into Mystic Beach. Yesterday, with the high tide, the place felt almost unexplored, like I hadn't really seen it yet. And man, I'm so glad I went back. This time, I came prepared to stay. No rushing off to the next location, no checking the clock. I planned to spend over an hour down on the beach, just letting the place sink in. After getting some solid hikes in lately, I wanted to move a little differently today. I jogged most of the way in, packed light, wore shorts, and brought nothing but the camera and a cup of tea. I wanted to get here before the tide started rising again, to catch the beach in its quiet window. Funny enough, I found out later I probably should have filmed yesterday's surfers, because today the sea was completely empty, but somehow that felt right. I ended up enjoying the campground with low wind, enough to start a fire and enjoy the sun, hoping to see wildlife in the Salish Sea. Well, this morning I decided to go for a little jog this morning. And was it ever a nice little jog? It wasn't a big jog, but I'm not a big runner. I used to when I was little, like in high school and stuff. I used to do track and field. So it was nice to actually get those feet up and running and actually get a little kilometers on the clock. But hey, it is what it is. I thought I'd come out here and I knew there was something I'm missing. And I'm so glad I came out here because what I did find was this cave and that one and that one. There's three of them. And I would have not known they were here if it wasn't for the low tide. So you have to come in here on a low tide to get access to them. Otherwise, you won't be able to see them at all. And getting a little closer shot to the waterfalls was amazing. But the fact that I wanted to come back down here to see those waterfalls allowed me to come see those caves, the Mystic Beach Caves. So there's three unique things about this area. One, the waterfalls. Two, the caves. And three, the pink and purple sand. I didn't get a few shots of it yesterday. I totally forgot. I don't know why I didn't grab those. But today I'll run over there. I'll take some video of the actual pink and purple sand. And yeah, hopefully I can color grade it just perfectly so you guys can see it. Oh, such an amazing time out here. I did come out here. I brought my cup of tea. I decided, why not? Let's spend at least an hour to 2 hours out here. Just relax, had a little banana, had breakfast this morning, had chorizo and eggs this morning. Oh, so good. So now we're out here relaxing. So I took my shoes off, wandered off down the beach. Man, the water is so cold. I don't have water socks or anything with me. I forgot them up at the van. And I just brought a little, few things. I didn't want to pack down a million things because I don't have to pack it all the way up. But if you guys are runners, this backpack is actually pretty nice for running. It doesn't bounce up and down, which is pretty nice. But anyways, I'm going to relax here for a little while and then we're going to head down the road and we'll watch the surfers surf down the beach. Hopefully there's a bunch of them today. And we'll hang out at Jordan River. All right, guys. We'll see you guys a little bit later. walk. What a run. It's nice and good to sit out by the ocean. You know what? I think it's time to go. It's long overdue. We gotta go spend a night at Jordan River. I am beat. I think it's time to take a little bit off. Relax for a little while. You know what I mean? Alright, let's head down the road. We'll find a place to park. Go watch the surfers crash into the ocean. Every time. It's epic. Alright, we'll see you guys down the road. I'm gonna say here, I gotta go on the computer and do a couple of things. Get that yesterday's video published, because it only took like an hour and a half to upload, so that's awesome. And it is so windy out there. So I'm gonna probably have a bite to eat. I got my registration, got my money put away. So I haven't decided whether I'm gonna stay here or on the next site over there. But when I get out and take a look, I'll figure out where we're gonna park. Call it a night. I noticed there's no surfers out in the water today, and the waves aren't as high as yesterday. When I drove by yesterday, there must have been like 30 plus surfers in the water, and I pulled over, I stopped, I watched them, but I didn't get any video, because I figured, you know, that'll be a video for tomorrow, especially if they're out in troves like they are yesterday. But there's not a single surfer. I saw a couple walking down, but I haven't seen any go out. So there's no watching the surfers biff it. Well, I can't say for sure, but maybe there'll be some tomorrow. Who knows? But I'm gonna relax here for a little while. See you guys in a few. So I just realized I didn't record an outro to this video. Today's kind of just like been a flop, but I'm still gonna upload it anyways, because it's just like this is what I was planning on doing, and this is kind of what happened. And I'm gonna admit something right now. I'm not too fond of recording other people and uploading them onto YouTube. And the way Jordan River is set is just like, it's just like a parking lot with picnic tables in between. That's all it is. And don't get me wrong, it's a very beautiful campsite, but you only have like from here out to the ocean to record, and then everything else is people. And not to mention, about half the day there's been music playing, people talking, and I'm not too fond of uploading music to YouTube. And I'm not too fond of uploading other people talking to YouTube unless they actually want to be on camera. So I did end up going down the beach and checking out, you know, what's down there. Found some pieces of sea glass, which is kind of nice, and didn't really do a heck of a lot, but I did cook some food. And I also sat by the fire, relaxed by the fire for a little while. And yeah, all in all, it's been a pretty good, relaxing day. Kind of one of those days where I just need to put my feet up and relax. And when you're this close to the ocean, it kind of makes you tired, or, well, not tired, or it's more like a relaxed. And once I got to Jordan River campground, I just felt like putting my feet up, you know what I mean? But I mean, I did get a little bit of a workout this morning, so that was nice. Going out to Mystic Beach was pretty amazing. So glad I went back out there. Walking around in the bare feet in the beach was absolutely amazing. The water was so cold, but it was nice to be grounded in a sense. It's just meditative. Meditative. Is that even a word? It's so soothing. It's just something that I don't often get to do. You know, most of the time I'm just getting my boots wet. My socks are wet, and I have to come back, put my boots in front of the heater. So I decided, why not just take my boots off, my socks off, leave them behind, run around on the beach, take my pictures, take my videos, and well, I didn't end up putting on my boots for a little while. It was just all in all a great day. So I'm gonna call it for tonight. I'm gonna edit this video, get it uploaded for you guys, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching. Peace out.